Hey guys, welcome to the SFF Workshop. This is the final video for the desk build. As you can see, it's finished. I needed to get it done because the other desk was basically falling apart. The video has been quite delayed because I unfortunately suffered quite a bad back injury last week at work and I've been on rest since then. The whole idea behind designing and building the desk like this was inspired by rustic and used furniture, stuff that has seen use over years and years and years, and if it could talk would tell the story of many things. Building this project brought back quite a few memories. The power tools that I was using, quite a few of them were left to me by my grandfather who passed a few years ago, and I have fond memories of watching him woodwork and just in general use power tools and hand tools, building various things from tables to model steam locomotives. As this has given me an impetus to do more work, I'm looking at maybe replacing my metal shelving over here with some really cool designed wooden furniture to kind of copy along with the desk. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to us on this YouTube channel, as well as make sure you hit that notification bell. We're also on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and as well as that we have a Discord channel that is quite active.